This lecture we will talk about Python try except. So what is it? The try block lets you test a block of code for a. The except block lets you handle it there. Like for example exceptional handling, something like that. The else block lets you execute when there is no error. The finally lets you execute code regardless of the result of the try and except all the executed. So it's exceptional handling, for example, for erroring handling. When error is occurred, an exception, as we call it, Python would normally stop and generate an error message. This exception can be handling using the try statement. For example, we have try and print x, but we say except if there is an error, print an exception occurred. An exception occurred. So what will be printed? Exception occurred. Since the try block raised, the except will be executed. Without the try block, without the try block, program will crash and will raise an error because x is not defined. So what should be printed in here? There are many exceptions. For example, you can define as many exception blocks as you want if you want to execute a special block of code for a special kind of error. For example, we have try, then print x, except, we can call it as many times, except we have name, error, print variable x is not defined. Variable x is not defined. Then another except, and this is print as just default except something else went wrong. Something else went wrong. So that's, we say for example that the else block define a block to be executed if no error occurs. For example, we have try print hello and except if there is an error. So what will be printed? Print something went wrong. And an else block, if there is no error, print nothing went wrong. Nothing went wrong. So hello and nothing went wrong. The final block will be executed regardless of the try and catch block, so it's always executed. For example, try print x, except print something went wrong, finally print. This will always execute regardless if it's an error or not. The try except, I think an escape character is required in here. The try except is finished. The try except is finished. So, and because there's an error, end that. Try to open and write file that's not writable. For example, if it's open demo file, if the write except, so we can use for these kind of things. So we talk about the Python try except for exception handling. If a code, for example, we are trying to write, open something like that, can cause exception, so for that we use Python try except methodology as well.